Good morning, guys. It is day 3 of our London adventure, and it's our last day. So today we're going to run around the city and do what we usually do on our last day and check out as many of the little highlights that we missed that we want to see before we leave, like Big Ben, Westminster Abbey, just things like that. So our first stop is to get on the underground and head over to Westminster.
Yep.
That'll be the first
Abbey.
one, Westminster. We got a good day. The skies seem pretty clear. It definitely cooled down a little bit, which means we got some sleep last night and we're able to finally get over our jet lag. So we're feeling a little bit better. And hopefully our appetite will come back soon. So I'm looking forward to trying some of this English food before we leave. We really haven't had much English.
There's something called a sausage bop or something I want to try.
I think the only English food we had was the Indian food the first night. Any of you guys who know what I'm talking about understand that. All right, so let's go in, hit the underground, and get this
Westminster Abbey.
Get this mission underway. Let's do it. So we got these octopus cards when we first got here, and you top them up as you go along, and it really does make it better, easier to get around here. It's not too expensive, and Alyssa's figured out the system really good, so we've been getting around real good with the octopus card.
The first day we got pretty lost.
Yeah, we took a wrong train too, but hell, we've done that in a lot of cities. It's just a way of seeing the sights, you know? All right, so now we're looking.
This one might take me a minute. I don't see it. Oh, there it is.
All right, so there we go. Earl's Court eastbound platforms.
We've been getting lucky and getting seats most of the time, so we've been on the train, but not this time. I feel like sitting.
All right, first stop, snack time. We found ourselves the traditional British sausage roll. And I'm going first, I'm the guinea pig. All right, guys, here we are. It smells so good. Man.
Whoa.
That is a lot of sausage in there. Look at that.
Did you show them now? So that's like a whole sausage patty.
Well, she gave it back. I have to take a second bite.
I'm not a fan of sausage.
Oh, it's so good. It just needs some sort of a sauce and it would be perfect, but cheers to start the day off.
It tastes good, but again, I'm not a fan of sausage. Whenever they do sausage, whatever spices they use in it, upsets my stomach. The pastry part is just awesome. I could eat this part all day long.
Go ahead, you eat the outside.
All right. That's teamwork.
All right, snack one in the books.
And we're only like a few feet away, so it won't be long.
Yep. All right, we're gonna finish this and see you guys in a minute. So this is Westminster Abbey, and it has over 1,000 years of history. I mean, this place is ancient. It's a World Heritage Site, another one for the list. Look over there, you can see Big Ben. We'll be going there in a minute. But like I was just saying, this is a World Heritage Site, and I was just reading yesterday that the World Heritage Organization added 24 new World Heritage Sites, and one of them is in Thailand. It's all the way up north though by the Cambodia border, so I'm not sure if we're going to be able to get there this time around, but it's definitely something I want to check out when we get there. So I assumed everybody knew what an abbey was when we got here, but we weren't even sure, so Alyssa just looked it up for me to make sure. She was right. An abbey is a collection of buildings, all with a monastery or church in the middle. And this one's been used for a lot. You've seen it in ceremonies for coronations, like when the king got coronated, stuff like that. This is the building they use. So all these historic buildings that I'm showing you have been around here for over 1,000 years. And they look it. They're quite well kept, preserved. And it's not too crowded as I thought it would be. However, I don't think there's a service going on right now. And we're gonna head this way because I see Big Ben and we want to go check that out next. So let's head over that way. So Big Ben is here, but across town there is a Little Ben. And we found out yesterday on our tour that Little Ben was donated by the French as like a gift to them. And it's nowhere near as impressive as this. I gotta admit, looking at this here in person, this is probably one of the most amazing clock towers I've ever seen. That's how London does Uber. Get yourself an Uber boat. Look at that view, guys, of the city. I don't think I'll ever consider London my favorite city in Europe, but I will say I'm looking forward to coming back here. There's so much to see and do. Really laid back. I like it here. It's no Prague, but I like it. I don't know about this London Eye Ferris wheel. I'm pretty sure it was knocked over in the first Marvel movie, the Fantastic Four one, but I guess they put it back up. Check this out. You got the London Eye over here, the Thames River, the Westminster Bridge, Westminster Abbey, and Big Ben over there, all in one shot. How's that for iconic London? Well guys, you've seen it all, so the video's over. Give us a thumbs up, see you tomorrow. Just kidding, we got a lot more to go. Look at her face.
My face?
She was like, what the hell is he talking about? No.
I got so much more planned.
We've only been out here for about an hour. We've seen all this stuff in one big spot right here. But no, we got plenty more to go. Right now we're gonna go get something to drink and find our next destination. So we'll see you in a minute. This is our first view of the London Tower Bridge. I think we're gonna head around and see if we can get a better view from over there. There seems to be more tourists down that way, I think. All right, let's go down here and check it out. Well, look at it. So check this out. You got modern, you got your battleships, your modern city, and then you got your London Tower over here, and then you got the London Tower Bridge over here. Iconic. And wow, what a beautiful day we have to go walking around and seeing all this. There's just enough clouds where it's keeping the sun from baking us. There's a really nice breeze. It's beautiful out here, right?
It's so nice out.
Yeah. All right, are we gonna walk across the bridge? Is that the plan?
I don't know what the plan was actually.
I don't know. The plan was just to come and see it, and we came and saw it. Now, a lot of these things you can go in, but like I said, this was a last-minute trip for us. It was a layover on the way to the place we're not mentioning. But we figured we'd come and at least see the outside, check these things out. Maybe when we come back, we'll do tours of the inside and get the history of all of them. But we just really wanted to do the palace yesterday and see the iconic sites. I have no desire to go up on like the London Eye Ferris wheel, but maybe next time we come, we will.
I have a stop today that'll give us a view that's like equally as good as the Ferris wheel, though. So
yeah, and you gotta remember, like I said, this is just a stopover for us at the beginning of a huge trip, so we don't really want to blow our whole budget in London, which you can easily do because everything here is $50-$60, and you know, even to go up in the observation deck is going to be $40-$50 in some places. So we're just going to enjoy our time here and go find some more eats because that's what we love the most.
they have some really good options, though, that if you want to be here for like a couple days or 2 weeks or something, you can get a package that includes entrance to like all these different places for a set price. But I think it would be a good deal now that we've been here to some of these places. I think it's a good, fair price.
Yeah, we'll be back. London, UK, Scotland, Northern Ireland. That's all going to be one big, nice, wonderful trip next year, I think. So for now, let's go make the best of it. Where do you want to go?
I want to go down here and just get some photos, and then we'll head on to the next stop.
Oh, you know, it's time to do the Instagram thing. We'll be back. You do pay to go in, you can walk on those things. I'm not sure if we really understand this London thing, because so far we've had Indian food, and now we're having some shawarma. Both have been delicious, basically because this country's overrun with Indians, and it's a wonderful thing.
So much food diversity here.
But we promise you guys, tonight we will have fish and chips for dinner, or she'll kill me.
I want fish and chips so bad. I've been smelling it everywhere, and it smells so good.
I'm not a huge fan. I don't eat fish, but I did eat the fish and chips in Ireland, and I gotta admit it was pretty good. So she'll get that, and I'll do something British, I'm sure. But one more foreign snack. I just love when you get the pickles in it and the cucumbers, and oh, these are so delicious, guys. Chicken shawarma. I do like the beef better though, but they only have lamb here or chicken, so.
Chicken it is.
Here's the stuff you can't get in the U.S. So that behind me, guys, is the monument to the Great Fire. In 1666, the Great Fire of London lasted for 3 days, and it burned down like 13,000 homes, 87 churches, just like 2/3 of the city, I think, something like that. And this is the monument that they built later on to commemorate it. Pretty massive structure there, I tell you what. Well, that monument was a quick stop and definitely worth it. A very interesting tower there, and it's got a lot of facts on it about the fire, which is pretty cool. But now we are headed to our last stop for the day because it is getting really cloudy and windy. We're afraid something might be blowing in. And to be honest with you, this little girl's so sleepy that we're gonna call it a day soon. We've been out here for a while, but we got one more stop, and it's at a market, and you know how much we love markets. So let's head over there. Yeah, maybe we'll get energized there. But we still got fish and chips later and a market to go to. So
it's a 9-minute walk. We're gonna cross over a pretty iconic.
Oh yeah, another bridge. Yeah, guess which one? We'll see you guys in a few minutes. All right, so we just walked over the London Bridge, and I didn't even realize it was the London Bridge. That's how poof my head is right now. So anyway, we made it to the market. Do you know the name of this one?
Borough Market.
The Borough Market. So let's head on down these stairs with the crowd and see what we can find.
Oh my God, it's so crowded here right now.
I see it. It looks packed. All right. Oh my goodness, it smells so good, but look at this crowd.
So not a fan of crowds.
No, this is not our type of market here. This is all like sit-down restaurants crammed together in a huge-ass crowd of people.
I'm hoping it gets a little better though.
Okay, so we made it inside the market now. It's a little bit better than the entrance to come in. That was just madness up there. And to be honest though, I preferred the Camden one. Much better vibe over at that market in yesterday's video. So check that one out if you want. But this one's alright. It's all food, but it looks like it's artisan food. It's tourist prices. Bunch of snacks. Breads, brownies, cakes, more snacks, more desserts, more cakes in that one. We got some cheeses. You know, I was just thinking maybe part of this madness is because it's the weekend too, Saturday afternoon. Yeah. Yeah, this is no fun, guys. I think we're gonna make our way out of here and we'll catch up with you guys on the outside. What is it? Oh. Ooh. Hey, how you guys doing? Yeah, this crowd's just not for us. We're gonna head on out now, but Alyssa just told me that in order to get back out, we have to walk across the London Bridge again. So this time I'll pay attention. On the way here, swear to God, I just thought it was a decrepit bridge falling down. So this, guys, this is the London Bridge, and this is why I walked over and didn't even realize it's pretty much unremarkable. It doesn't look anything fancy, or I don't know, I missed something. I did see a couple of those people with the bicycle bars where you ride the bar across and drink healthy drinks. Those guys were over here. Personally, I believe the Tower Bridge is nicer than the London Bridge over there. But here we are, guys, the London Bridge. So we've made it back to our little corner of the world. It's been a busy day. Didn't do as many steps as yesterday yet, but the day ain't over. However, we're gonna head back to the room now. We got a little planning to do. Hey, how you doing? We got a little planning to do for our upcoming adventure to Africa, which begins tomorrow. But as we promised, we will be back this evening, and we will take you guys out for some fish and chips. So for now, we'll see you in a few minutes. Alright guys, here we are with our fish and chips as promised. So go ahead, take a bite, let's see if you like them. I went ahead while she's getting her little bite, and I got chicken wings, Japanese style with french fries, because we're in a pub, and she got the fish. So what did you think of it?
It tastes like deep fried cod. Oh, it's good. After. You try it?
No, take one more bite, give you a review, and we'll let them. Well guys, that's not for me, but I hope she enjoys it. So with that said, we had an amazing day today. We got to see a bunch of London, put a lot of miles on our feet. We are exhausted, but tomorrow we're heading off to Africa. So make sure you hit that notification bell, because you're not going to want to miss this one. We got a huge adventure coming up. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys soon.